Today we got a little surprise for the channel. Project time. Let me know what y'all think. I did a thing. Yo, it's your boy Holloway GSX-R. You already know the vibes, man. We got something a little different for you today. As y'all see in the last video, we've been having some struggles with the track bike, getting it all dialed in, working right. So today's video is a little different, a little change of pace. A rebuild that I'm doing. Bought a crash bike, gonna fix it up, make it look nice. You know, just something I could maybe do some circuit racing with, practice my wheelies. I don't know, who knows, we'll see. But today we're just gonna work on it a little bit, let y'all ride along with that. Hopefully y'all like that video. Let me know. GSX-R. I need some TLC, but she gonna start right up. We're gonna rebuild her, get it back right. Project bike. Flip it, sell it, wheelie it. Who knows? Just stay tuned. Subscribe. Click the like button. Hit the notification bell. All of that. We made it back home, man. So I figured I'd give y'all a little look at the bike in the daytime. Here she is. New project. 600. Got it for a steal. $1,000. Probably needs about not too much money wise to bring it back to life, but yeah, man, she starts right up. Low miles, only got 16,000 miles on it. Got it for $1,000. A little repair joint for the channel. Yeah, like I was saying, y'all, need a little bit of TLC, but she start right up. Low miles, 16,000 miles on it. Stay tuned for more. Day 2 of the GSX-R rebuild project. We finally got some parts to play with. You know, we got the bike, as we mentioned earlier in the video, probably about a month ago at this point, and just been collecting parts, everything that it needed. I made a little task list. You know, stuff took a little while to come in, but we finally got some parts to play with. Stuff is here now, and we're gonna get to work. That's it. Almost about to look like a bike again. New grips, seats, headlight harness, new headlight, stay bracket. It's on the popping, y'all. Watch me work. Already installed the swing arm. Did that off camera. That was just something I needed to get done so I could, you know, have the bike sitting properly on a jack stand instead of on some sketchy stuff like this. But yeah, man, put y'all down and get to work. Daddy's little helper is outside. Not being productive. What up, y'all? Quick update. Did most of the rest of the stuff off camera. Just having a GoPro on my hat, it was just getting too heavy, weighing my head down. I was sweating, you know, it was just too much. So did some of the stuff off camera. We still got a little bit more to do, waiting on chain and sprocket to get here, waiting on the plastics to get here. But we're making progress, man. It's a bike again. We outside, we rolling. So here we go. First look. We ready to go, baby. Almost. I had to interrupt this video to give y'all a quick update. I know y'all been begging for more race content. As you know, we've been having issues with the swing arm. Sent it out to the manufacturer to get it, you know, looked at, checked out, redone, whatever they got to do. So, you know, we literally just been waiting here. So that's why I, you know, took a different direction and started working on a project bike. But we got some good news. Surprise, surprise. Look what showed up in the mail today. My swing arm's here. So we're gonna get it on the bike. We missed the rest of the race season, but you know, that's okay. We're gonna start prep for next season. Probably do some street testing in Mexico a little bit. Maybe 1 or 2 passes just to make sure everything, you know, is working before we go, you know, switching the focus to weight reduction, which is the, sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties. My battery died. Like I was saying, though, we're gonna get the swing arm back on the bike, test it out, do a little bit of testing before we switch gears and shift focus to weight reduction. Not only on the bike, but I need to drop a couple pounds too. So you know, it's all gonna help out the season next year. I got some plans in the works. I have some parts on the way. So, you know, this is the major part. This is what we needed, though. So don't worry, guys, we'll have some more race content. At least you'll be able to see the bike. Probably take it on a couple street runs before it gets too cold down here. I'm in the Northeast, so our season's real short. So I gotta make it do what it do. All right, so stay tuned, keep rocking with your boy. Thanks for the support.